Day mechanic again. Yeah, the thing's still here. Told you I'd come back if there was something I thought interesting. Well, since this is a Kohler, I don't think I've shown a Kohler auto choke system yet, and that's gonna be part of this guy's problem. Looks like it might have been another case of tinkeritis, because there's a whole rod missing. But so on this auto choke system, it's kind of like the other ones. It's going to run off this thermal valve. When the muffler gets hot, this is going to turn instead of pull like on the other style, and it's going to turn this auto choke in and out. Well, you see, there's nothing connecting these two. So this carburetor, basically the choke is always stuck on or off, which is not grounds to for running great. Either won't start very well or it won't run very long. So I gotta order a linkage. This isn't a super common setup, but I don't have anything in the junkyard. But just a little show and tell on these Kohlers. The auto choke. And I did clean it off a little bit. That's another thing. These are air cooled, so when you get all that engine area covered with dirt, it doesn't cool down properly. So if you're a tech, or even if you're a do-it-yourselfer, and you notice your engine covered in oil and soot and dirt, give her a good cleaning. I use brake clean, carb clean, and compressed air. Compressed air might work if it's dry. This stuff was really kind of thick and oily, so I had to put some kind of solution. Pressure washer if you're careful, but I'm not a big fan of pressure washing these little tiny engines, but you could. But that's all I have on this one. Just thought I'd do a little show and tell. Thanks for watching.